Hi Krishna, my friends. I'm so glad to see you. Thank you for joining me. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a simple baby Krishna face step by step. So let's take a look at what materials we're going to need and then we'll do it together. Come on. For our art project today, we only need three things: a piece of paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is draw a circle for baby Krishna's head. Keep in mind with your paper that we want to leave enough room to have baby Krishna's bun and peacock feather in the circle. So let's draw the circle a little further down than we would usually. So let's draw the circle together. And connect it at the top. Great job. Now after we draw baby Krishna's circle head, we're going to give him some ears, and those are going to be some curves. It's going to be a curve on the left and a curve on the right. Sometimes ears look different, and that's okay. Yours can look totally different and it'll still be beautiful. So after we do the ears, we're going to give baby Krishna some eyes and eyebrows, and we're just going to do an eye on each side of the head, and make sure that you leave enough room in the middle for the tilak. Okay, so an eye on the left and an eye on the right. Beautiful. And if it looks like you did one eye bigger than the other, which it looks like I did, then you just can try to match it. And if need be, then use your eraser and erase it and try again. But I'm going to keep those eyes for now. And now that I have my eyes, I'm going to give him some happy eyebrows, which are little curved eyebrows over his eyes. And remember what I mentioned, we needed to leave room for baby Krishna's tilak. So now we're going to draw his tilak. And that's going to be a nice little curve, a long curve that looks like a finger, because that's how we put our tilak on, right? With our finger, and we say Om Keshavaya Namaha. And then at the bottom of our tilak, we have tulsi leaf. Great job. I'm sure your tilak looks amazing. Okay, after we have our tilak, then we're going to give baby Krishna a happy little nose and a happy smile. So the happy nose is right below the tilak. It's just a little curve. And then the smile is going to be a bigger curve right below his nose. Let's do that. Oh, beautiful. And there's nothing cuter than some rosy cheeks for baby Krishna. So let's do a circle on the left and a circle on the right. Oh, we're almost there, my friends. Now let's give baby Krishna some hair. So I like to start with giving him a part in his hair. So I start right above his tilak. I make a line and I connect it over to the top of his left ear. And then from that part, I make a line and I connect it over to the top of his right ear. There we go. Now he has some hair. And now for the famous baby Krishna bun. Yay, that's a circle on the left side of his head. So let's make a circle that connects from one side to the other. So it's not quite a circle all the way, but it's almost a circle. And baby Krishna has to have some pearls decorating his bun. So let's put some pearls in, and those are just little circles. Okay, and that's right at the edge of the bun and the hair. Now your bun might be a different size than my bun, and that's okay. So you're going to have different number of pearls, or your pearls might be bigger or smaller than mine, and that's totally okay. So let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pearls. I wonder how many you have. And now last but not least, we have baby Krishna's peacock feather to make. And I like to put that on the right side, and that's going to be a curve with a tip and a curve down. And inside the peacock feather, we're going to do 2 more curves, a bigger curve and a smaller curve. And there we go, my friends. We have a simple baby Krishna face. So there's my baby Krishna. Oh my goodness. I am so looking forward to seeing your baby Krishnas. So if you draw baby Krishna after seeing this video, please have your parents email me a copy of it because I'd love to see it. And they can find a link with my email in the description of this video. So my friends, that was so much fun. And I look forward to seeing you for the next Krishna Kids art video. I hope you have a great time until then. Haribo! Haribo!